This is Camry dashboard. Today I will be make on the original Samsung. Check this one new one and the old one is coming to starting video. It is very good working and Samsung professional. This is the old one work. The old one is very the old one is very melted. The before one is removed. Check on this. Starting this processing. This is using only heat gun also. It's too much melted, that's why it's using the heat gun. It's little bit melted. Use like this with the hand. Starting to use heat gun, melt it PVC. Now PVC in this one the rubber, the melted rubber. See the little bit melted catch and remove. Use the heat gun and on this use remove everything PVC. Also put leather stuff. Watch this video for and also this little bit damage, and I will put the margin for the same the car will be put in. It's white this put in on the dashboard and put the leather glove. they finish in glue and start another processing. This one on leather, the PVC artificial leather, and put the glue with scraper. Is not using brush. The brush is using on the coming the dots and inside a little bit dots and kachra. Some thing coming inside. This one is finished and start the processing new and put the leather on the dashboard. Watch this video first. Please subscribe to me. Now I will put the leather and check the leather and is very good. Starting on deep side and use the heat gun there and also put the hand in pressing. It's coming to start pressing this way. Little bit use the small, no just use the stitch it. They is strong and take little bit straight.
Tidak. Ini sedikit email maju nggak kawan? Ada. Ada tuh ada. Pasti ini lagi. Ini sedang penting kan?
Now is your deep side. Check this video, this place, and use the heat gun in here. And small turn the piece and push there. This stretch is here. And take little bit fixing. Notice sometimes for fixing one time. It's coming out of it. That's why fixing one time. So this way, hand. Also cut Please finish the work and little bit processing the meaning. Also put the airbag stand and also put the AC grills and speakers. This is speaker pieces. This also is fixed. Check as well as professional work. The work on the professional, check this video and finish this working also. Last is fixing the airbag stand and watch this video. Please subscribe. Now with this airbag stand, can use the heat gun and also oil a little bit and not pressing on the. So check this video and press a little bit and swim. Some put the tape and also line the loop. After check the airbag stand. It is very good. Check this stamp. It's very professional. This